Good morning, grade 10. Let's start with problem set 2. Your first question is choose the correct answers. Options are 4, A, B, C and D, and the question is which is quadratic equation. Now students, you all know very well what do you mean by quadratic equation. So what you should be knowing first is there should be only one variable and index of the variable should be 2. Alright, so let us find it out. Now every time they have given some equation over here, you have to evaluate in the standard form and then check. If you solve this, at the end you get x cube. If there is cube, it can't be quadratic equation because index should be 2, here index is 3. So this is not a quadratic equation. Look at C also. If you solve this, you get minus n minus 1 is equal to 0. N is having index only 1. So this also can't be quadratic equation. Look at D. If you simplify this, at the end again you are getting x cube minus x minus 2. So the highest index is 3. We want 2. Look at B. If you solve this, you get x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here in this equation you have one variable and highest index of the variable is 2. And therefore this satisfies all the conditions to be a quadratic equation. So which is the quadratic equation? This is the quadratic equation. So you solve and then cross check. Alright. So correct option is B. Now look at the second question, which is not a quadratic equation. That means you have to see which among this is not quadratic equation. All others will be having one variable and maximum index will be 2. One will not be satisfying this condition. Let us check out. Now look at first option. If you solve this, at the end we get 4x minus 11 is equal to 0. X is having index only 1. So this is naturally not a quadratic equation. Power of x highest index is not 2 over here. Look at this. If you solve, you get x square. Highest index is 2. If you solve this, you get x square. Highest index is 2. If you solve this, you get x square. So all these three are having maximum index as 2 and variable is only 1. Whereas here index is not 2. So this is not a quadratic equation. Look at the question. First was which is quadratic equation and here which is not a quadratic equation. So here correct option is E. I hope you are understanding. Let's go for the third question now. Let's go for the third question. The question is roots of x square plus kx plus k is equal to 0 are real and equal. So find the value of k. See students, if the roots are real and equal, then delta has to be 0. That is the condition we have seen nature of the roots. So if delta, which is also called as discriminant, denoted by a triangle, and it is b square minus 4ac. If its value is 0, then roots are sure, short, real and equal. So it has been given that roots are real and equal. So b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So delta, which is b square minus 4ac, is 0. Therefore, here I have equated b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now what is b, a and c? These are coefficients over here. So a is 1, this is b is k and c is also k. So substitute these values over here. You get k square minus 4 into 1 into k is equal to 0. K square minus 4k is equal to 0. From this I have taken k common. Inside remains k minus 4. Now here there is multiplication sign. If answer is 0, either k is 0 or k minus 4 is 0. So value of k is either 0 or if this 4 goes over there, then if it is shifted, then you get k is equal to plus 4. So either k is 0 or 4 and therefore your correct option is C. I hope you are understanding. Okay, let's go for the next question, fourth. Now look at the fourth question. Root 2x square minus 5x plus root 2 is equal to 0. And we have been asked to find the value of discriminant. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. So let us compare this equation with the standard form. So we get a as root 2, b as minus 5 and c as also root 2. Substitute in b square minus 4ac, minus 5 square minus 4 into root 2 into root 2. Because a and c's both values are root 2. Minus 5 square is minus 5 into minus 5. So minus into minus becomes plus. 5 square is 25. Minus sign as it is 4 into root 2 is root 4. So square root of 4 is 2. So we have 4 into 2. 25 minus 8 will be equal to 17. So value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 17. So I guess correct option is B. B is given as 17 over here. Let's go for the next problem. Now look at question 5. Which of the following quadratic equations has roots 3 and 5? See students, you know during factorization you need to ask questions. Tell two numbers whose product is 8 and addition is minus 15. Or say only numbers if you consider 15. Now see, 8 is a number whose two numbers whose product is 8. So we have only 4 and 2, 8 and 1. These are the only possibilities. Add up. Addition should come out 15. 8 plus 1 is 9 maximum and 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is not possible. Are you understanding me? Now let's go for the C also. Then we'll come back to this. X square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Ask questions. Tell two numbers whose product is 5 and whose addition is 3. Two numbers whose product 5 is prime number. So only 5 and 1. These are the two factors. Two numbers whose product is 5. Addition should be 3. Their addition is coming 6. So this is also not possible. Look at this. Tell two numbers whose product is 15 and whose subtraction is 8. Now for 15, factors are 15 and 1, 3 and 5. These are the factors of 15. Apart from this, 15 and 1. Alright. Subtraction should be 8. 15 minus 1 is 14. And 5 minus 3 you are getting 2. So these three possibilities are not correct. Now look at this. Tell two numbers whose product is 15 and whose addition is minus 8. So numbers will be minus 5 and minus 3. See, minus 5 and minus 3. Product is plus 15. Minus into minus is plus. Add up this. You will get minus 8. If you solve this, either x minus 5 will be equal to 0 or x minus 3 will be equal to 0. And therefore we get x is equal to plus 5 or x is equal to 3. So correct option is B. I hope you are understanding. Ask questions and then solve. Now 6th question is reduced from your syllabus, so we will not do that. Let's go for the 7th question. Now look at 7th question, students. Root 5 m square minus root 5 m plus root 5 is equal to 0 is the equation given. Which of the following statement is true for this given equation? And look at the statements given. Roots, everything is related to roots. Real and unequal roots. Roots are not real. Real and equal roots, 3 roots. That means we have to find what is the nature of the roots. That means in short, you have to find the value of discriminant, which is delta, the triangle, which is b square minus 4ac. Alright. So if you compare this equation with the standard equation, we get value of ABC like this. Substituting into b square minus 4ac, we get minus root 5 the whole square, minus 4 into root 5 into root 5. Now this square will be 5, minus 4 into root 5 is also 5. So 5 minus 4 5s are 20, you get 5, this 5 minus 20 you get minus 15. This is the value of discriminant. Now remember, if discriminant is 0, then the roots are real and equal. If discriminant is positive, roots are real but unequal. And if discriminant is negative, then the roots are not real. And therefore, because here discriminant is minus 15, negative we are getting, and therefore C is the correct option. That is, roots are not real. Is it clear? Let's go for the 8th question. Now look at 8th question. One of the roots of equation x square plus mx minus 5 is equal to 0 is 2. So find the value of m. If root is 2, that means it satisfies this condition. Value of x is given as 2. So you have to put x is equal to 2 and then find out the value of m. Wherever there is x, I am putting 2. So you have 2 square plus m into 2. Here between m and x there is multiplication sign. Minus 5 is equal to 0. 2 square is 4 plus 2m minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. So you have 2m minus 1 is equal to 0. 2m is equal to 1. That side becomes plus 1. Here again there is multiplication sign. 2 shifted over there. M is equal to 1 by 2. So correct option over here is C. C is the correct option of 8th question. Is it clear? So we'll stop here, students. First complete question we have solved. That's all from my side today. Thank you.